Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact SharePoint site URL and the folder that holds the Excel file so you target the right resource. Open Power BI Desktop, choose Get Data, then SharePoint folder for a folder-level import or Web for a direct file link. When prompted, sign in with your organizational account and grant access. This authenticates calls. Once done, Power BI will surface files and paths so you can locate the Excel workbook and begin selecting it for import. After selecting the Excel file from the SharePoint folder list, click Transform Data to open Power Query where you shape the dataset. You pick the specific sheet or table, then promote headers and set column data types so calculations behave correctly. Use Remove Columns and Filter Rows to reduce noise and improve performance. Make sure to apply steps in a logical order so later refreshes run smoothly. For example, filter before merging to keep query folding where possible and speed up refreshes. When your queries are clean, hit close and apply to load the model, save the PBICs, and publish to the Power BI service workspace you use. In the service, open Dataset Settings, set credentials to OAuth or Organizational, and enable scheduled refresh with an appropriate gateway if needed. If something goes wrong, first recheck the SharePoint URL and folder path. Then confirm your account still has access and tokens haven't expired. Re-sign in to refresh credentials and retry the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.